Hey guys, welcome to Learn and Enjoy Kitchen. I'm Azadeh and today we're going to cook a new delicious pasta with spinach. But before we start, subscribe our channel and hit the bell to get informed of our latest videos as soon as they are uploaded. The ingredients: spinach 200 grams, mushrooms 300 grams, pasta in different shapes 350 grams, Parmesan cheese 30 grams, blue cheese 50 grams, flour 2 tablespoons, nutmeg a little, garlic 2 cloves, cream 100 grams, milk 200 grams, salt and black pepper as you need, olive oil as you need. Put a pan on the stove and add some olive oil, and then add pre-washed and dried spinach to it. Put the lid and let the spinach cook on low heat. Meanwhile, wash the mushrooms and slice them finely. When the spinach is cooked, take it out of the pan and add the sliced mushrooms to the pan. Then add some olive oil and let them sauté on medium heat till they lose their juice. Don't forget to stir them from time to time. You see, their color is changing. Now add 2 grated cloves of garlic to the pan. Sauté a little and then mix with mushrooms. You can smell the garlic now. Add some salt and stir again. Now add the flour to the middle of the pan. Sauté till cook a little and then mix with mushrooms. Meantime, put a pot of water on the stove till boils to cook the pasta. Add cooked spinach to a bowl or a jug. Then add the mixture of cream and milk to it and blend them well so that we get a green and completely even mixture. Blend till there is no tiny pieces of spinach. When water boils, add pasta and some salt to it and let it cook for about 10 minutes. Then add the green mixture to the mushrooms gradually. Stir constantly so that the flour dissolves well in the mixture. Do this on low heat. The sauce is thickening and getting homogeneous. Check the pasta. If it is soft and cooked, it's time to drain it. When the sauce is thick enough, add some black pepper, salt, and nutmeg. Be careful not to add too much nutmeg, just a little. Next, add the drained pasta to the sauce and mix well. Take a dish that you can put in the oven. Add some olive oil, then the mixture of pasta and the green sauce to it. You can put some fried onion on top of it, but it's optional. Then put some Parmesan and blue cheese on top. Finally, add some black pepper and put it in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius for half an hour till the cheese melts and roasts. Bon appétit! Dear friends, this was today's delicious pasta. I hope you cook it and enjoy it with your family. Don't forget to follow us on other social networks and recommend our channel to your friends. Till another recipe, goodbye.